Hi everyone. I was online the other day and saw this experiment that looked interesting to me, and I thought I'd give it a try. But like all experiments, I don't know if it's going to work or not, but we'll see what happens. I have a glass of water and another glass, and into this other glass, I'm going to pour a bit of vegetable oil, about like that much. Then I'm going to add some drops of food coloring. Here's some green and a bit of yellow. And if you notice, the drops are just kind of staying in the oil. They're not mixing together. They look like little globs of color. Here's some red drops. And some blue drops. All right. The colors and the food coloring don't mix with the oil. They just stay in globs. Now I'm going to use my whisk and try to break up the globs into smaller pieces. Now it looks kind of like they mix together in the oil into this brownish color, but if I look really closely, which is hard to show you on this video, but I can notice right around the bottom, if you look carefully, you can still see lots of little dots of color. It's not really mixed. Now the next thing I'm going to do is pour this mix on top of my water, and all the oil and colors will float on the top. Now we're waiting. This is the waiting part of the experiment. I might get a piece of white paper to stick behind it. Hang on just a minute. That might help us see a little better. I'm walking over by my computer printer so that I could get a piece of paper to hold behind the glass. Now, it doesn't look like it's doing much of anything yet. Oh, but look. Oh, it's starting to work. Do you see the rainbows raining down? I'm going to move it a little closer to the camera. Whoa. When those globs of color that are mixed in the oil touch the water, they burst and blend into the water. Whoa, it's like it's raining a rainbow. It did work. I wasn't sure if it would. So cool. It looks like a lot of colorful trails going down into my cup. If I were going to do this experiment again, I might use a little less color, a little bit fewer drops of color. But I'm glad it worked and I got to show you. So if you want to try this at home, all you need is a glass of water, another glass with some oil in it, and some drops of food coloring. You whisk up the food coloring and oil, then you pour it carefully on top of the water, and then wait for the magic of rainbows raining down. All right, I hope some of you give this a try at home, or you could watch me do it again if you want. Have a great day.